Everything in the universe has a certain vibration. Watch until the very end to understand the basics of these vibrations to learn how to fine-tune your own. Before we begin, I would like to welcome you back to Rewire Reality. We upload daily, so don't forget to subscribe. If you follow these simple 4 steps to understanding and working the vibrations that make up everything, your abundance and prosperity will greatly increase. The more you come to understand energy and how to use it to your advantage, the easier and more prosperous your life will be. So get used to noticing vibrations, including your own, and learn how you can raise your vibration. And never allow yourself to be aligned with anything but positive vibrations. Learn to notice vibrations. This is the first step to using the power of vibrations to your advantage. Until you develop the ability to notice vibrations, you cannot harness them for yourself and your own power. To start to notice vibrations, think of it as the vibration you feel on a train as it runs. There is always a subtle hum going on when a train is moving along the tracks. Well, everything always has this subtle vibration occurring. You can learn to feel this vibration by learning to slow down and open yourself up to it. Learn to take your eyes out of focus, and you can even see this vibration at times. Just like you do on those 3D pictures to see the image, change your focus both visually and emotionally, and you can tune into the vibrations around you. Be patient with yourself, it will take time, but you can and will learn to develop this ability. Know your vibration. As you learn to feel and see vibrations better over time, the next place you are going to want to direct your attention to is yourself. You need to do some good, honest and in-depth reflection on where you are currently with your vibration. This is important because your personal vibration directly affects the effectiveness of your abundance and prosperity. You cannot hope to effectively improve your life if you do not know where you are starting from. Raise your vibration. Once you know where you are, you can start to actively work towards raising your vibration to bring even more prosperity your way. There are many ways to raise your vibration, and the more you do, the more effective it will be for you along the way. One way is through your food intake. The healthier you eat, the better your vibration. Also, drinking plenty of water and consuming less toxins like soda or alcohol, and your vibration will go up. You can also learn to slow down and learn things like meditation to help as well. Finally, your attitude makes a huge difference. The happier and more focused you are on following your passion, the more your vibration will continue to rise. Only align with positive vibrations. Now finally, the last secret to effective use of vibration is to be very intentional about the vibration of the people around you. You need to be sure to surround yourself only with people who have a high and positive vibration. When you allow people around you who have a low or negative vibration, they will naturally pull your vibration down. Vibration affects vibration, and the vibration you around will affect your own vibration. So learn to recognize and honor the power of vibrations. They will lead to abundance and prosperity, but only after you honor them and choose to allow them to help. Know your vibration and learn to raise it so that your success will be even greater than you can imagine it is possible. If you've made it this far and you believe in the power of vibrations, then please leave a like. Also, we upload new videos daily, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.